In this number 2 map, I'm going to show you how to set and label the water bodies of India, standard meridian of India, and Karakoram Pass. So here we go, like this. I have listed out the names of the items below the map in serial order. So number 1 is Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch is here. This is Kathiawar Peninsula, and this is the Gulf. This is the water body. Here in this area, you have to set blue. Don't go too much outside. Just it is small water with the body here, surrounded by landmass. Okay, this is number 1. That is Gulf of Kutch. KUTCH. Gulf of Kutch is this one. Okay. Then Gulf of Khambat, just below that. Here, this is Gulf of Khambat, also called Gulf of Kambe. So this one here. Don't go too outside because outside will be Arabian Sea. Gulf of Khambat or Kambe also, but for the timing we'll write what is given in the syllabus. Okay. Number 3 is Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar is here. This is Sri Lanka. This is the tip of Indian Peninsula, the Kanyakumari here. Now, one very important point that you should not, there is a small islands, Adam's Breeze we call it, this not to touch this one. Okay, so here in this area you have to set like this. Okay, this is number 3, or this is number 2, sorry, number 2, this is number 3, Gulf of Mannar. So Gulf of Mannar, MANNAR. So 3 items gone. There are total 6 items. Then the this is third. Fourth is Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is very, very famous in the south of Mahanadi River here. Bhubaneswar is here. In this area, you have to mark it very small blue here. On the map, it is very small, but in reality, the lake is the largest, what you call, saltwater lake. It's called lagoon. Lake fed by seawater is called lagoon. So this is third one. Okay, so fourth one is the Chilka Lake. Chilka, CHILKANL, Chilka Lake, gone. Okay, the fourth one, that is the standard meridian or 82.5 degree east. This is very, very carefully you have to draw. In the case of meridian, that is longitude, you have to use a scale. Okay, so I'm using a scale here. Now, how to place the scale? First, what you do is you just mark it Allahabad here, where the Ganga and the Yamuna meets. That is Allahabad. But Allahabad, just here, you mark it here, that standard meridian line, because here is the our standard time is, the observatory is located here. India's standard meridian passes through a city called Allahabad. So you mark it here and mark also here on the easternmost coast of Sri Lanka. Then you keep your scale like this. How I'm keeping like this, you have to keep it here slightly. It doesn't look straight, but slightly there's a little bit of tilt. Nothing, no problem with the slight tilt. Even if there is a still slight tilt, it doesn't matter. So this eastern coast of Sri Lanka and Allahabad, it should be vertical. Okay, the line should be like so. You draw a line from top. Okay, I'm drawing here, like my line here, this. So here comes your standard meridian. So 82.5 degree is, you can call it standard meridian. Meridian means longitude. There is no latitude, only one meridian is given as per the further reduced syllabus. So don't come too much inside. Okay, I have come slightly in, but it should be slightly on the edge. Okay, so here this is the standard meridian. Okay, and then comes the Karakoram pass. There are other passes also, but in this particular batch, 2021 batch, your syllabus is reduced, so only one pass. Okay, Nathula pass you don't have to label. This Karakoram pass is here. This is the international boundary between China and India. The lowest V, the lowest part of this line here. This line comes down, this line goes down. Here you have to draw a line like this, double line, like this, and make a like this symbol. Okay, so this symbol, this is the Karakoram pass. So you can write here Karakoram pass. Karakoram pass. PASS. So in this map, only 5 items I am showing. Water bodies, standard meridian, that is 82.5 degree east, then the Karakoram pass. Okay, this is map 2. So you have to have these names and the outline map of India, and without seeing this, you just label it and see this corrected one yourself. Okay, you correct yourself, but when you practice, you cover like this. You have the syllabus and label it randomly here, and you check yourself. You have the verified paper or checked paper are there. Okay, so this is the second map.